Hi guys, Simon here. In today's video, I'm showing you how to check Find My location on your AirPods. First we go to settings and we're making sure that Find My is on. If you click on your Apple ID, your name, you can see Find My. You click on that, you tap on Find My iPhone and make sure these three are enabled. And when we go to Find My, we go to the second icon, devices, and then you click on the AirPods you use, and then you can see your AirPods and their last location. If you lost your AirPods, you can activate Mark as lost and also enable notify when found, and you can play sound if you're nearby and they are out of your AirPod case. So I hope this video was clear for you. Thank you for watching guys. See you next time.